How to delete a Facebook account. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete your Facebook account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up Facebook. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Then from here, you can just go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon at the top right. From there, you are going to have to find the settings menu. You can do that by tapping on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. And then scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Tap on it and open up settings. Once settings is open, tap on account center and then from here go to personal details. Now you should be able to see the account ownership and control button. Just tap on it and from here click on the second option, deactivation or deletion. Now all you have to do is select your Facebook account from here and then select the second option. So the first option is if you want to temporarily deactivate your account, but if you want to permanently delete your account, you have to select the second option. And when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you've added will be permanently deleted, and you also won't be able to retrieve anything that you've added, and all of your additional pages, messenger, and all of messages will also be deleted. Now tap on continue. And as you can see here, all of these accounts or pages will also be deleted. Tap on continue again, select your reason, tap on continue, and then tap on continue again. Now just go ahead and tap on continue again. Now just enter your password and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.